Hello mga kababayan, nandito po, nag-grocery shopping po kami. Ang store po na ito ay tawag ay Meijer. Maraming klase yung grocery store from low-end, somewhere in the middle, or yung very exclusive or expensive ng mga grocery stores. Ito pong Meijer is somewhere in the middle, hindi po sobrang low-end. Nasa gitna lang po siya. So I thought just for fun, maiba lang mo yung vlog natin today. Share ko po sa inyo yung mga presyo ng bilihin dito. So, I'll show a few items and then papakita ko po sa inyo yung dollar amount and then yung tawag dito peso value. So, let's go! So, ayan po makikita nyo, $4.19, $3.49 ang sliced cheese. Ito naman po ang ganitong toilet paper, on sale po siya from $14.99 to $12.99. Yan po ang Charmin. Ito naman po ay ang kanilang ultra strong, so $21.99. Ito naman pong dishwashing soap, yung ganito po ay $4.19 pero on sale siya for $3.49. Yan, yung mga ganito po na Land O'Lakes butter like this is $4.29. Yung ganitong organic po ay $8.19. Bogart. Ito po favorite ko na brand to kasi 80 calories lang and then it has 12 grams of protein. Isang pack ng ganito ay $4.29. Simply orange juice, naka-sale. Regular po niya $4.19 pero right now it's selling for $2.47. Dito naman po tayo sa Tide cleaning products, Lysol at mga toilet bowl cleaner. Let's check out the prices. Yung Tide po ay $20.99. Merong mas maliit na bottle, $16.99. Ganitong Lysol po, it comes in 4 disinfecting wipes for $15.99. Pero kung tigi-tigisa lang po, $5.79. And then Lysol, between Lysol and yung Meijer brand na generic lang na all-purpose cleaner, original price po ng Lysol is $4.79 pero kung gusto niyo makatipid ng Meijer brand, $2.79. Toilet bowl cleaner, Lysol brand, yan po, $5.29. Clorox, ito pong isang galon na ito ay $6.29. Naman tayo sa dog food and cat food. So dog food po, yung ganitong kalaki is $16.99. Food naman po, iba-iba ang presyo. You can find something for $14.99 or yung ganito pong size na $27.99 or yung fancy piece na ganito for $19.99. Ito naman po tayo sa mga ito po, baking items from box, ready to cook, prepared brownies and cakes sa sugar and behind me spices. Let's check it out. Betty Crocker, low sugar, yellow cake mix, $2.99. Itong mga ganito na Funfetti cupcakes, chocolate cupcake mix, $1.95 lang po. Duncan Hines, ayan, iba-ibang flavor. Yellow chocolate banana, $3.25. Carnation, $2.99. Carnation condensed, $3.59. Steel vinegar, $1.59, $1.19, depende sa size. Olive oil, from $12.99 to $26.99. Regular na peanut oil, $6.49. Vegetable oil, asan ho ang presyo ng vegetable oil? It's right here, $3.99. Canola is $5.29. Sukal, yung ganitong kadami. Ilan to? 10 pounds. $7.99. And then, ang flour, kung gold medal, $7.79. Kung Meyer brand, $4.89. Sa spices, ito po muna. Sisimulan natin sa iodized salt. Ito po yan. Ito po ba? Morton. Sorry po Morton is $1.69. Meyer brand is 79 cents. Vanilla extract depende. Meyer brand, $1.89. Imitation po. Ang pure vanilla extract po ay $24.99. Pero, ang difference so between McCormick and yung vanilla ng Meyer, na pure vanilla rin, is $24.99 or $12.49. Although ito po kasi 8 ounce, ito po 4 ounce lang. Okay guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Now dito tayo sa mac and cheese and canned beans. Ano pa ba mga nandito? Rice, canned vegetables. So, let's check out po kung ano mga presyo. Tree style, canned beans, $2.25. Pack ng mac and cheese, $11.79. Tomato sauce, itong 4 cans, $5.39. Whole kernel corn, $1.49. Itong Uncle Ben's, $15.49. Basmati rice, $10.49. Jasmine rice, $7.39. Fruit cocktail, $2.59. Still with me po ba? Okay, dito naman po tayo sa pasta section. Mga Asian aisle actually. Soy sauce. So let's check out the prices. Yung ganito pong mayonnaise ay $6.39. Patis, Thai brand, $4.59. Soy sauce from $2.79, merong $1.59, merong $3.15. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa mga kape at juices. Pike Place Roast, Starbucks brand, $20.99. 8. Itong vegetable juice, $3.85. Cups, Green Mountain brand, $22.99 ang original price. Itong cold brew by Starbucks, original price, $10.49. Yes, Folgers na ground coffee, $15.19. Smith's, yung mga ganitong box na sikat sa pangbalikbayan box, $7.99. And yung ganito naman pong container is $5.99. And tayo sa mga soft drinks. Pepsi 12-pack, $7.99. Verner's Ginger Ale, 7-Up, ganun din, $12.99. Ang litro po na ganito, ang Pepsi ay $2.79. 1 gallon of water is $5.69. Okay, dito naman po tayo sa mga chips and chichirya, nuts. Roasted nuts, $14.99. Yung ganitong almonds po ay $6.59. Chips, $2.39. $2.69. Classic potato chips, $3.29 ang original price. A box of it is $6.69. Favorite ko ay Cheetos, $4.89. Cheetos, yung ganitong party size, $6.39. Combos, favorite ng kapatid ko yan. It's $2.69. Pringles, $2.35. Manok po, yung ganito na chicken thigh, $8.33. Chicken breast, $9.81. Mga hotdog, yung ganitong ballpark, $6.49 po. Ito po, binibili ko talaga yan. $5.49 kasi low carb po ito. 30 calories lang ang isang slice. Itong brown berry, oat nut, whole grain, $4.79. Yan ang asawa ko. Bagel, $4.59 original price. Okay, ito yung mga variety ng presyo ng bread, Italian bread, yan, $3.19. Mga bread na regular white, lower price po, $1.99. Po, hanggang dyan na lang kasi madami na ho. Next time, magpa-part 2 ho tayo. ng mga ibang items pa po. Siguro yung mga sanitary products naman, kung magkano yung mga napkin, sabon. But for now, wrap up na ho natin kasi baka ma-board na ho kayo, mahaba na yung ating usapan dito. But thank you for watching. I hope na-entertain ko po kayo. Like, share, subscribe, comment po. And I'll see you sa next video po. Bye-bye po.